Hello, TOEFL students. So far, we have learned 8 skills for the TOEFL structure, questions 1 through 15, part of the exam. Today, we're going to review those 8 skills, and you will have an activity where you will use all of those skills. So, let's go over them. Skill 1, subjects and verbs. Remember, every sentence and every clause has a subject and a verb. If you have 2 subjects and 2 verbs, then you have 2 clauses and you need 1 connector. Skill 2 is that objects of prepositions cannot be subjects. Remember, objects of prepositions are the first noun that comes after prepositions. A preposition is something like of or on. Yeah? Skill 3 is present participles. Those are the ing words. Present participles can be a verb if there's a be verb in front of it, or they can be an adjective if there is no be verb in front of the present participle. Skill 4 is past participles. Past participles can also be a verb or an adjective. And these 2 participles can begin a reduced adjective clause. That's why they're so important to remember. All right, now we're on skill 5. Skill 5 are the coordinate conjunctions. So these are and, so, but, or, yet, and nor. And the coordinate conjunctions can connect 2 clauses, and they can also connect other structures, like nouns or adjectives. All right, then skills 6, 7, and 8 have to do with different types of connectors. Skill 6 is adverb connectors. Skill 7 is noun connectors. And skill 8 are those noun connectors that can also be subjects. So those are important to remember. Do you remember the 3 noun connectors that can be both a connector and a subject? They are who, what, and which. All right, so let's get started on our activity. We'll do 3 examples together, and then it's your turn.
So remember, on this part of the exam, the very first thing you need to do is identify the subjects and the verbs and decide what is missing. This sentence starts with a subject, air, but does not have a verb. So we need an answer with only a verb. So now that we know what is missing, we can look at the answers and eliminate the obviously wrong answers. Apple is an infinitive, so it is used as a noun, adjective, or adverb in the sentence, not a verb. So that is not the answer. Boy has a subject, it, but our sentence already has a subject, so that is not the answer. Dog is a present participle. Do you remember skill 3? A present participle without the be verb is an adjective. There is no be verb here, so this is an adjective, not a verb. So that means our answer is cat. This is the only answer that has only what is missing in the sentence. Number 2, we have a subject, humans, and a verb, discovered, and then a connector, that. Then we have a past participle, obtained. So we're missing one subject.
And remember, skill 4, obtained, this past participle, could be an adjective or a verb with an auxiliary or in past simple. So let's also look for the auxiliary to be in our answer.
Now let's look at the answers and eliminate the obviously wrong answers. Both boy and cat do not have the be verb. Dog has a subject and the be verb, but look, it has another verb, could, before the subject. That is the order for a question. But this is not a question, it's a sentence. So that is not our answer. Apple, metals could be, we have our subject, and we have the be verb, and we have the correct word order for an English sentence. So this is our answer. Number 3, after is an adverb clause connector. Then there's a subject, an animal, and a verb, dies. Okay, because we have a connector, we know that this sentence needs to have 2 clauses. So that means 2 subjects and 2 verbs. But there's only 1 subject and 1 verb here. So our sentence is missing a subject and a verb. Now that we know what is missing, we can look at the answers and eliminate the obviously wrong answers. Apple does not have a verb, so that is not our answer. Boy starts with a present participle. Okay, remember skill 3. A present participle can be a verb or an adjective. To be a verb, it needs to have the be verb in front of it. But look, this does not have the be verb, so that means this present participle is an adjective. So this is not our answer. Dog starts with a preposition, for. Remember skill 2, objects of prepositions cannot be subjects. So that means this word DNA cannot be a subject, and we need a subject. So this is not our answer. That means our answer is cat. DNA degrades. Now it is your turn to do the rest of the sentences. Remember, look for the subjects, the verbs, and any connectors. Identify what is missing, and then eliminate the obviously wrong answers. As always, if you need any help or you have questions, message me and I'll help you. Good luck!